If you have been into trucking for any length of time, you'd probably think the worst is finally behind us. So here's the question. Why are trucking companies still going bankrupt? That doesn't make sense, not to me at least. Pay attention to the warning signs. Late paychecks, repairs that keep getting put off, drivers leaving faster than they're being hired. I've spent 33 years in the trucking industry. I've driven the roads, I've dispatched the drivers, I've brokered the freight. I understand it from all sides. Trucking companies rarely fail because of one bad month. Most fail because small problems are ignored and they accumulate until they become almost impossible to fix. So now I'd like to hear from you, the driver, the average Joe. Share your story down below in the comments. Let me hear about it. I'm Jim Campbell. Keep the shiny side up.